Hello students, welcome in our second session of our poem Crying. Students, before this we have seen that the poem Crying, we learned about what to do when you have to be utter a cry. Yes, we must cry till our pillow gets soaked, because if you cried lot like that, then only you will become happy after one. Okay, so like that we have seen whole the poem before this, and now we will see the question and answers of this poem, right? Okay, so look at that question number one. According to the poet, should you cry a little or should you cry a lot? Yes, and according to poet, as we studied, we should cry a lot. Yes, if you utter a cry, you should cry a lot. Then what can you do after crying a lot? Yes, after crying a lot, you can laugh heartily. Yes, you are able to laugh heartily. You can enjoy the every moment. You can open the windows of your mind so that you just cry a lot and then all things happen accordingly, right? So look at that question number 3. Read the following, read the first two lines of the poem. Is the mood happy or sad, angry, jealous, or upset? In the last few lines, the mood of the poet has changed. What is it now? Very happy, angry, cheerful, sad, or jealous? Yes, you can see in the first two lines, the mood of poet is very sad because he uttered a cry and therefore he became very nervous. Okay, and look at that, in the last few lines, the mood of poet suddenly changed and it became like he was very happy. He opened his mind. He feel very joyful. Yes, and people also ask him what happened, why you are looking so happy, like that only. Okay, so in the last some lines, it looks like very happy. So look at that question number 4. Are these sentence are right or wrong? Means you have to tell me, is it true or false, like that. Okay, so the poet says you must not cry much. Is that true? No, it's wrong, because poet advises us to cry a lot. Yes, look at that second one. The poet says that you should cry till your pillow is soaked. Yes, absolutely. Poet advises like that only. Then look at that third one. The poet says that after crying, you should open the window and laugh so that people will see that you are happy. Yes, this sentence is correct. It is the right answer. Right. Okay, look at that fourth one. The poet says that you should open the window and show people that you are crying. No, you never show your emotions, your feelings to other people, right? So it was a wrong one. Okay, okay, look at that next one. Let's talk. Why do you cry? What are the things that make you cry? So students, have you cried before? Yes. Because see, there are many reasons to cry, right? If somebody scold us, if somebody hurt us, right? So we utter a cry. So with in front of whom you cried a lot, I think you should you would like to cry in front of your mother, right? And here look at that. When your sister or when your brother disturb you, or your friend disturb you, you utter a cry, you fell down, you get hurt, like that only. Okay, so you can write the answer like I can cry before my mother, and I cry when my sister disturb me, or when I fall down and get hurt. Okay, like that you can just answer. So look at that question number 2. Can you cry when you are happy? No, not all. Not at all. Actually, whenever we are happy, that time we feel very joyful, and we never cry at all at that time. Look at that question number 3. Which are the things that make you happy? In what way do you show your happiness? Yes, and students, regarding this answer, the answers may be vary, right? Because everyone have different mind and they think differently. So here I gave you the probable answer, and that is attending parties and purchasing new dresses make me happy, right? And I show my happiness by laughing loudly and jumping on my bed. like that only you can answer by yourself also. Okay, look at that next activity. Say aloud dash bash, means here some rhyming words are given, okay, for reading aloud. So just let's read: dash, bash, splash, cash and trash. So all these words belongs to the rhymes, similar rhymes. Okay, then look at that second group of words: steer, tear, clear, dear and dear, right. Then look at that third group of words: shower, power, tower, flower and blower. Yes. Look at that fourth one: poked, croaked, soak, stroke and joked, wept, kept, crept, leaped and slept. Okay, so like that these rhyming words are given, you can just say aloud and try to recite them. Then in the next part, word building. The word happiness ends in ness and comes from the word happy. So write three words that end in the same way. Which words do they come from? Right? Okay, so three words are given here, and let's see from which actual words they were come from. So cleverness. So cleverness has been come from clever. Ugliness from ugly and neatness from neat. Right? So it might be easy for you. Look at that next question. Let's write. Question 1. Fill in the blanks with the exact feeling word. Students, look at that. Here, words are given into the bracket. You have to choose it the correct one from the among words. The tourists were dot dot to see the beautiful Taj Mahal. And the words given are amazed, shocked, worried, etc. So the tourists were amazed, not shocked, not worried, right? To see the beautiful Taj Mahal. So amazed is the right answer. Then the lights went out suddenly. I was alone and dot dot. When lights went on suddenly, you just frighten, right? So they use frighten word to fill the blank. Okay. So look at that third one. He has been ill for a long time and his parents were dot dot. Yes, and whenever you have been ill for a long time, your parents were worried. So use the word worried to fill the blank. Then last sentence, the shopkeeper was shocked when he saw his safe wide open with all his money missing. So here, what happened with shopkeeper? He was just shocked when he saw that his safe was wide open, right? So shock is a proper answer. Okay, students, like that, fill that blanks. Then creative writing, the last question of our question and answer session. Narrate an incident when you have experienced happiness, excitement, surprise and sadness too. So you can use the following clues. And let's see. Here, students, I have given you my own story, or you can say I have given you example, but you can write your own story too. Look at that. I still remember the date. It was June 6, 2010, the day of my 10th board result. I am a middle class family where most of the fathers wish that his son should become an engineer, and that was natural at that time in the first decade of 21st century, when there was a special status for an engineer in our society, especially in rural areas. So my father was none different that others. He wanted me to become an engineer, but till 10th I wasn't good in academic, and one of the reason for that is my sports. I used to go to lawn tennis coaching at that time. Okay, like all parents, my parents were also worried about my academic, and they made me left tennis. I was very upset. Then my grandfather, who is my idol, asked me one question: if I could do farming, to which I replied in negation, and I and asked why he had asked like that. Then he told me that he was on same path and as I was, and he didn't want to do farming, so he had taken the study very seriously. And at that time he was a bank manager. Okay, so when I was in a 10th class or 10th standard, it was first time I went to any coaching, that too because of fear of my parents. They thought that I would not get good marks in 10 board, but I became very serious about study at that time. Though I used to bunk my school lectures to play cricket, but it was okay for me as far as I was getting the good marks in the mock test. Now, at the school preliminary exam, I got around 80% marks and had enough confidence to score good in board exams. I had already decided to become a CA. For that, I had to go for commerce, which my father didn't want. Somehow he was convinced, as he was thinking that I won't be able to score well and won't do well in science, so commerce should be better for me. Finally, on June 6, 2010, I had my results and it was 88%. Someone would have enjoyed this, but I wasn't enjoying this, as the equation were then getting changed. As I got good marks or good score, my parents got some confidence and pushed me to the science. At that day, I was literally cried. So students, I think you may aware of the two things, that excitement, that happiness, and that nervousness too, right? So this is the story for you. You can write your own story. So here we are going to finish or end our question and answer session. Write all the questions and answers in your notebook. Okay, students, thank you for hearing. Take care.